can tell a noticeable difference in the building.
It is a foolproof, waterproof system. The people will love it.
We saw a pretty remarkable difference, and that's important to us.
Like every business, the owners of the Best Western Hotel in LaGrange, Georgia are always looking for ways to save money. Advanced Coating Systems is helping them do just that with an affordable roofing system and measurable energy savings. This hotel faced several problems, all related to an old EPDM roofing system. There were leaks, which caused unsightly stains on ceiling tiles, and sometimes rainwater actually dripped inside the building. Hotel owner Scott Malone needed a cost-effective answer for this costly situation.
It's been an ongoing problem for 24 years, and we're hoping this is the solution to end that.
The other problem created by the old roof dealt with cooling the building. The black roof absorbed heat, a lot of heat, and that heat penetrated into the building. Plus, all of the heated air on the roof required the AC units to work extremely hard to cool this 22,000 square foot facility. The owners had considered replacing the roof, but felt the $100,000 price tag was a little hard to swallow. So they turned to Advanced Coating Systems. The Best Western owners were attracted to Advanced Coating Systems for several important reasons. First, the cost was a mere fraction of replacing the roof. Secondly, Advanced Coating Systems guarantees their product for 10 years. And finally, the application process is relatively simple because the products that are used are liquid. Technically, it's acrylic elastomeric coating technology. Simply put, because the products are liquid, they can be applied with ease and will adhere to asphalt, metal, concrete, and foam surfaces.
They are just ecstatic. The fact that they can do the work, we're going to show them how, and they're not going to have to spend $100,000.
The first step of the Advanced Coating System is cleaning. It is extremely important to remove dirt and debris. A pressure washer and some scrubbing helps create a favorable surface for the coating system. The second step involves the application of the AccuPrimal, which creates a good foundation surface for the rest of the application process.
It goes on opaque, so we know exactly where we've gone, and it's going to dry clear. Then we'll come back after it dries within about a half an hour in this heat, and we'll put our first coat of AccuShield on it.
Some damaged areas of the old roof may require the application of AccuTack. This extremely sticky substance was applied to areas where the old roof had developed cracks and leaks.
This is a result of tar drying out. Now, when we hit it with the power washer, all the water went up underneath. So in order to fix this properly, all of this section is going to have to be cut out. And then we'll tack and fabric it because there must have been a leak here somewhere.
It's also a good idea to apply AccuTack to seams or wherever items like AC units are located. The next step involves the application of a special fabric onto the AccuTack. This fabric, along with another layer of AccuTack, creates a permanent bond to the existing roof and a waterproof seal. The final process is the application of AccuShield over the entire roof. This product serves two purposes. It creates a waterproof barrier and a heat-reflective surface.
Showing about 78 degrees.
Advanced Coating Systems conducted several tests on the Best Western roof, which indicate that the owners of the hotel will save money on cooling costs.
27 degrees.
I'm going to take temperature readings of the unfinished and the finished area of the roof to show you the temperature difference. And from there we can determine how much projected savings a white cool roof coating can do to your building.
First, the temperature of uncoated sections of the roof were measured. It read 168 degrees. The coated area measured only 94 degrees, a heat reduction of 73 degrees or 98%. Infrared photography tells even more. Before the coating was in place, there was a lot of heat, shown in red, surrounding this AC unit. Now look at the reduction of red just after a partial coating of AccuShield. Such a reduction of heat means that the AC units will not need to work as hard to cool intake air. Advanced Coating Systems also conducted temperature comparisons in the plenum of the building. The plenum is the space between the false ceiling and the actual ceiling where the heating and cooling ductwork is located. In one test, the temperature inside the plenum dropped from 93 to 81 degrees after the AccuShield was applied, a reduction of 11 degrees. Again, the drop in temperature helps improve the cooling efficiency of the AC units and will lower energy costs.
You are looking at bottom line dollars more than just temperature difference. And that for building owners is very significant.
Good morning, Best Western Lafayette Garnia. Wanda speaking. How may I help you?
Upon completion of this project, the reflective coating from Advanced Coating Systems will reflect up to 90% of the heat from the sun. That translates into energy savings for the owners of this hotel.
It's certainly worked very well from a heating and cooling standpoint. There's been a dramatic change in the temperature of the building and the units that we have on top of this facility being able to hold the temperature. We have about 30 tons of HVAC up here on top of this building, and the longer we can maintain our units, the better off we are. It's pretty expensive when you're having to replace them, and the ability to keep the temperature within the facility makes your systems not work quite as hard, so hopefully it'll extend the life.
For more information, call 1-800-587-3758 or visit EnergySeal.com.